How to register KRA PIN for a group, self-help group, association, Chama or CBO. First, you are required to only have the following documents: a group certificate, group minutes, group constitution, valid group email address, officials ID, and KRA certificates. By officials, I mean the chairperson, treasurer, and the secretary of the group. Once you have this, you are good to go. All these documents must be scanned in one single document file in PDF format. Since we have everything now, we go straight to the official KRA iTax portal and start the process. First, you click the new PIN registration and choose non-individual on taxpayer type field. On mode of registration, choose online form and click next. Fill the basic information as shown. First question is, do you want to register for significant economic present tax? Choose no. On business type, choose others. On business subtype, choose club, society, or association. Fill in the registration certificate number, which is found on the certificate. On business name, type the name as it appears on the certificate. On business registration date, choose the date of registration in the certificate. Account period end. Account period end month, you can select December or whichever fits your group. It can be July, December, or January. On business commencement date, choose the current date of registering. For the KRA, do you wish to declare legal representatives? Say no to this question. Does your business have any branches? Here, you say no. Fill in your street, road, county, district, town, tax area, and postal address and code according to where you come from or where the group or the CBO exists. On the principal contact details, fill in group's mobile number or any official mobile number and the group's email address. Click Send OTP to receive an OTP in the group's email and type it in the OTP field for confirmation. Mark the data privacy provision statement, and on the question that asks, do you have an alternative address? Choose no. Ignore the details of company ownership and scroll down to upload your group's document in PDF format and then click next. In obligation details, click income tax company and click next to add the official's details, that is the chairperson, the treasurer, and the secretary. So you have to you'll need the KRA pins in order to fill these details. On nature of association, choose others and fill in the KRA PIN number of the chairperson. So let's keep in mind that we start with the chairperson and other details will load, and type chairperson on other field, then click add, then do the same for the next official, maybe the treasurer. Type the treasurer's PIN and other details will load. type treasurer on other field and click add. The button for adding is below the details. Then proceed with the last official, which is the secretary. Make sure all of them are added, then click next. Ignore the property details and go to agent details section. Here, don't fill anything. Just scroll down to the arithmetic security question and click submit. The iTax portal will want you to confirm your group's email and which KRA will be communicating through. Click OK to confirm that the email is correct, because that will be your primary email. Download the acknowledgement receipt as you wait for approval. Approval will be communicated through the email you provided. If this was helpful, like and share this video and subscribe for more tutorials that are made simpler. Thank you very much for watching this video.